How to resize videos for YouTube Shorts using the iMovie. So simply open your iMovie project and place here the video which you want to resize for using Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts or TikTok. So place here your video, make sure to select this project, and at the top we want to click on this little icon which is cropping. Now simply click crop to fill. And next step is to rotate this image. Now you have to perfectly fit your new YouTube Shorts format. So for example, the middle, finish the process. This is my new project. It was converted from horizontal to vertical format. Now we want to export this project. So click in right upper corner area and export it. I'm gonna put it to the desktop and click on save. Wait until it's exported. Here you will see when it's finished, and when it's done, find on your MacBook the location of this file. It's on my desktop. Simply open it. Now in your top menu bar, click on edit and rotate it. So rotate it to the right, and this is my new vertical format which will fit to YouTube Shorts, TikTok or Instagram Reels, and it was converted from big video to this Shorts video or vertical video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.